Good morning, it's Andrew at Attleborough Centre. I'll take you into the workshop today, side we don't usually film in. This is where we carry out all our repairs and services, clutches, brakes, etc. for our customers, and where we prep our used cars for sale. So this arrived with us middle of last week, the 2013 Fiat Punto Easy. As you can see, it's in this morning to have its pre-sale preparation carried out. Unfortunately, the previous owner has misplaced all of the service history that they had for the vehicle, so this is going to have absolutely everything. The wheels are off, ready for its full inspection of the brakes, the suspension, and we'll replace what parts are necessary. Since we've got no record of when the cambelt or water pump was last changed, we'll be changing that as well at the same time. As you see, using an INA cambelt kit, the filters and the engine flush and the engine all ready for the vehicle. So hopefully within a couple of hours this will be done, fully prepared, everything checked and inspected, anything that's necessary replaced. I believe we've got some MOT advisories as well, I think for a tyre and for a back box, so we'll be replacing them as well, and then back up for sale. If you'd like some more information on this car, please check out our website. If you'd like some more videos, interior and walk around videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.